Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're well. So today's card, I'm not going to be doing any stamping. I know that sounds silly, but we are using the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set. Yeah, Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set. Why did I think that was wrong? Just for the little sentiment you see here. However, the main detail is using the Christmas layering dies, which are super cute, and we're going to be using one of them in particular, which is this super cute snowflake, which is designed to be cut out. However, we've embossed, as you can see. So I'm going to show you how that's done today, and yeah, let's go ahead. So I'm going to move the example out of the way because I am going to be bringing in my big shot. Okay, and I'm gonna unravel it like so. We'll be using one plate, a silicone mat, and then I've got another plate here which is probably the same thickness. However, it's just what comes with the silicone mat to do this. This is... I need that. You need this. So what you're going to do is to create a sandwich, you're going to have your acrylic plate down. Then you're going to want to place the framelit as to where you want it on your card. I would secure it down, and then you put that face down, so you're going to in fact be cutting upwards, not downwards. But if you put your acrylic silicone plate down, and then this plastic board, I don't know what the plastic board does instead, but it's what came with the kit, so we're going to use it, and roll that through nice and smoothly. And we can take our sandwich out, put the big shot away to be used another day, and if we lift this up, you'll see it hasn't cut from the back. Now that's pretty cute on its own. However, I preferred the indent emboss of it. So I'm just going to gently peel off our cardstock. Like so. Now I've got a little crease here, which didn't happen the first time. But if you want to avoid that, just give your cardstock a little spritz of water, and that makes it a little bit more malleable, and then you won't get any tears or anything like that. So we're going to mount this onto a standard C6 Whisper White base, like so, with some dimensionals, which are here. Now you can go as heavy as you like with dimensionals. I personally put quite a few on because I want my card to be quite rigid and strong. However, some of us don't have the patience to be peeling the backs off all the time. So let's just quickly get these backs off. And then line that with the centre of the card. I will give you the dimensions of the Blushing Bride because I forgot and got straight into the card. So the Blushing Bride measures 8.8 centimetres by 13.1. That just gives a really nice border. And we are using Blushing Bride. Pastel colours are going to be big this Christmas, so I thought why not use our subtle collection by using this, and it works perfectly well. I like it. Who doesn't like pink, especially at Christmas? So as I said, I've already stamped the sentiment and heat set that ready, just to save a little bit of time because I know you're all busy people. And I'm just going to cut that down ever so slightly, like so. And I've got some silver thread here. This is gorgeous. I don't know, you can see it in the light. How cute. I'm going to wrap it. I wrapped it around 3 fingers, but I think I'm going to go 2 this time. Just a couple of times. Give it a little snip. Take that off. Spread it out a little bit. Leave that there for now because we need our mini dimensionals to stick on the back of the sentiment. Now I'm using 3 because I want it to be secure, because I won't be using any adhesive behind a little flurry. I don't want that to be, and it's just completely unraveled. Just go a little tuck under. It's completely gone. Right, let's do it again. No harm, no foul. Wrap it around. Pop it down. Like so. Got a long bit here which I don't particularly like, so I'm going to cut that bit off. And there you have that. Now I've done it smaller, I quite like it bigger. But hey ho, the choices we make. I'm going to grab some Tombow. And I'm just going to do 3 little dots. Here, here, and here. Here, here, and here. And they are for some of our new sequins. And they are the snowflake sequins. Which, if I open up, can you just see that sparkle? Like, the sparkle itself deserves a thumbs up. You have little stars, you have little snowflakes, you have clear sequins, you have little silver sequins. No words, you just have to buy them. Okay, it's what every girl wants on a Christmas card. You have pink, and then you have rhinestones, and well, not rhinestones, sequins. You know what I mean. Oh, there's even little rhinestone, not rhinestones. Why do I keep saying rhinestone? I mean sequin stars, which are really cute, which are clear instead of the opaque ones. Two, 3. So I'm just going to pop 6 on. You can do more or less. But either way, I think they're cute. And there you have today's card. How simple was that? And how effective is that technique? I know I'll be using it a lot more. And what I've also done is create a little box to go as a gift with these cards. So let's zoom in so you can see it a bit better. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's cards. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop for you to purchase them for yourself. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe. And why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super fun this project is to create. I'll see you around. Bye.